Imagine waking up to $395.67 in pure profit while you were asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Keep watching to see how Blaster can make this your reality. Welcome to Blaster, the world's first AI app that allows you to exploit Amazon's KDP program and instantly publish profitable books. With Blaster, you can generate $23.99 per book, every single day, like clockwork. Our AI content mapping algorithm finds hidden niches in KDP and generates keyword-targeted books that are primed to sell instantly. Watch how we go from idea to profit with Blaster in just 30 seconds flat. Grab Blaster now and save $37, usually $47 a month. Today only a one-time fee of $9.95. Step 1. Login. Click on any of the big buttons on this page and create your account with Blaster. It takes less than 9 seconds. Step 2. Feed. Just enter any keyword you want inside the Blaster dashboard. It can literally be anything. No research needed. Step 3. Blast. Within seconds, Blaster will provide you with a fully formatted and designed book of over 200 pages, ready to publish on Amazon's KDP. Step 4. Profit. That's it, you are done. Now all you have to do is refresh your account and watch sales roll in. It takes less than 10 seconds. You are literally 30 seconds away from creating your own automated income empire. Fail-proof, recession-proof, and saturation-proof. You don't need any kind of experience, new skills, writing, designing, hiring, or purchasing any other services or apps. You don't need to market or promote anything. You don't need to spend a penny up front. You don't need to wait more than a few hours for your first sale. Can you believe it? We don't need any of the above and still manage to pull in money like this. Imagine your day with Blaster. You wake up when you feel like it, not because your alarm is going off. You grab your coffee, tea, or even a glass of whiskey if you feel like it that day. Then you log into your KDP account while enjoying your beverage and see that you made $395.67 in pure profit while you were asleep. It's a good day, but it's just getting started. As the day progresses, you will keep making more and more money. Do you know what that means? It means you are the boss of your life. No one can tell you when to wake up or when to go home. You are not a slave to your desk anymore. You can finally give the middle finger to your boss. With that kind of money, you can pay off your debts, buy the car, spoil your spouse, buy the house, take vacations, and travel the world. It's not a dream, it's our reality with Blaster. Grab Blaster now and save $37, usually $47 a month. Today only a one-time fee of $9.95. Amazon KDP is a $4.6 billion market. With Blaster, we exploit it with just a few clicks. Amazon is the biggest company on earth and they created the world's biggest bookstore. It allows average people like you and me to publish books on their platform and get a share of the sales. That means you just publish your book and Amazon uses its power and millions of users to drive sales to you on complete autopilot. While it's not easy to get started with it manually, we created the perfect solution. We created a never-seen-before AI app that exploits the platform with just a few clicks. Blaster uses an exclusive AI engine to mimic the top writers and publishers in history, ensuring top-quality books that keep people buying. Blaster will automatically translate your book into any language you want with just a click, exposing you to new markets with hundreds of millions of new buyers. Blaster guarantees top ranking in any category we want, resulting in automated income every single day, like clockwork. Ready to join us? Grab Blaster now and save $37, usually $47 a month. Today only a one-time fee of $9.95. We'll see you inside.